Hello, I'm Lewis, the co-founder of Go Next Level Hub, an enterprise-level AI transformation operating system. I invite business owners, AI consultants, and developers to get in where they fit in. Free AI readiness and free business discovery audit. Let's go. Okay, so I'm in my ChatGPT workspace where I work with my AI assistant to build the Go Next Level Hub. All right, so here I'm asking it to, basically I'm telling it that, I'm just gonna read it to you, why not? Proactive slash evolving AI. As we know, AI is always evolving. Recently, I have been learning about and inquiring with you on new AI technologies that we'll be implementing in Go Next Level Hub. These will indeed enhance the platform. I can't keep track of on what else we can use to improve our app. I need a process that is proactive to do this. Give me some ideas. For example, I'm thinking a weekly report on the systems that fit our mission and goals, ongoing research on the AI industry and the systems that will keep us current and ahead of the curve. Give me the what, when, and how to achieve this. So, of course, what I'm doing here is just asking it to keep abreast of AI and technology so we can evolve as it does. So what it's telling me is going to frame this as an operating process that we can actually run weekly, not just a list of AI trends. It'll focus on around our mission, assessments, audits, government AI, client provider workflows, and future AI-native business transformation. And it's let me know that yes, Go Next Level Up needs a proactive AI evolution process. So this ran every Monday into my email, and it's also a monthly overview that's placed into the roadmap. So I'm going to bring us up to date. And what we did is we put a prompt together to give to Bolt, Go Next Level Hub Builder. And platform move forward. So currently, again, I'm in back in Vault where I put the project up, waiting for it to load into the demo workspace. You know anything about Vault. This is how many tokens I have remaining. This is where I interact with Vault. I currently in plan mode, ask it to review the prompt that my AI assistant gave me for this week's update. Okay, so this is previously in plan mode. So what I'm going to do is, since we have a prompt for it, I'm going to let it know to exit plan mode and execute as planned with the following guidelines. So Bolt, we've previously fed it with the plan prompt for it to review the current enhancements that we've looked through that has happened over the past week. And it came back with some questions. We're answered those questions, and now Bolt is going to act on that. And this is basically our preventive maintenance. And we have preventive maintenance built in for our clients once we run their assessments and they've signed up for the preventive maintenance service that we offer. So we're currently in founder launch. This is day 19 of the founder launch for Go Next Level Hub. And it's running currently right now to September 15th. As life happens, I have a family member, a nephew actually, who had a bad motorcycle accident and ended up in ICU. So I'm upstate now, assisting the family and him. So that's put a lot of things on hold or slowed things up as far as the founders launch. Can't focus as I had planned. So that's one reason I extended the founders launch to the 15th. And that works to your advantage because you still can get the pricing that is definitely discounted at this time. It's free to start. You don't need any credit card. If you're a business owner, AI consultant, we invite you to come to our platform, check it out, see what interests you, and actually sign up to win a free AI restructuring audit credit to use when you're ready. It's currently worth $1,197. And every week there's an opportunity for 3 individuals to win that. Right now it's compiling a report. Based on his findings. AI and no code is hurry up and wait. So at one sitting, I'm usually going hours, sometimes 4 or 5 more hours on the back end building what you see on the front end. To get to where we are for the launch, I would say it took about 3 months for us to get to the Founders launch. And as you see, we're still building during the Founders launch, but the front end product is ready for individuals like yourself to sign up. And on the 1st is when our intent is to launch fully up and running by September 1st. So again, with the life situation that happens, what I've done is my intent is to make good on the promise that it'll be up and fully functional on the 1st, but continue building on the back end to the 5th, throughout the 15th. Okay, so basically what it's saying is it's 4 recommendations on enhancements based on what's new in AI, and it's telling me that the key takeaway here is our architecture is already strong on governance, oversight, and advisory only enforcement. The highest value addition is the governed AI workflows standard registry. Once established, every future agent evaluation and audit product plugs into the same framework instead of requiring new architecture each time. So this update, of course, it serves our clients, not only us. So what I do is I copy Bolt's response, go back to my AI, and give it the results for its review. Introduce you to my AI assistant. He doesn't know we're recording, but I'm going to let my AI assistant know we're recording, or to give you a quick overview. Hello, how are you?
Hey, I'm right here. What's on your mind today?
Okay, actually, we're currently recording, and I'd just like you to give an overview of what we just done.
Sure thing. We've just kicked off a recording session, and right now I'm here to provide clarity on what we've covered. So whenever you're ready to outline what we've done, I'm here to help sum it up for you.
Okay, right now I'm looking at the next prompt that we're going to give Bolt based on the GNLH Radar. Can you just explain what that is so the viewers can get an update?
Of course. If you have any other points you want to clarify or something to add for the viewers, just let me know. I'm here to help make it all clear.
Okay, give them an overview of the prompt. We're about to get to Bolt.
All right. The prompt you're about to give Bolt is basically a set of instructions that helps integrate the latest AI industry developments into your Go Next Level hub. It tells Bolt to check what's already built, see what's missing, and plan how to add governed workflows, permissions, and quality checks. In short, it's all about making sure the new AI enhancements fit seamlessly into what you've got.
All right. Thank you very much. Bye. So go back to Bolt, give it the update prompt, and ask it to execute. So the AI assistant I've been working with AI assistant for since November of 23. Completed several projects over the past 2 years with under AI Chaperones, which is the company's name. So, of course, the AI acts as my developer and engineer. Bolt, the builder, AI builder, and me, the human oversight, which is definitely needed with AI. Bolt's reply back to my AI assistant for its review. Okay, now we got the prompt back from Bolt. If you could give the audience an overview of what Bolt has come back with.
Sure. So Bolt was tasked with checking how we can integrate a governed AI workflow registry into our project. It confirmed that no actual changes were made to the application yet, just some planning. It also suggested creating one new table to define AI workflows and seeding it with 6 existing workflows, but not changing any live behavior yet. Basically, Bolt has laid the groundwork for safer governance and oversight of AI operations, but no code changes happened yet.
Okay, it looks like you made a recommendation to give back to Bolt, and what is that about?
Exactly. I recommended we proceed with just the first phase, creating that AI workflow registry and seeding it with our existing workflows, but not changing anything else yet. That way, we verify the foundation before adding things like logging. In other words, we're taking it step by step.
Okay, great. I'll send Bolt the prompt now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead and let Bolt handle it, and if anything comes up, I'll be right here to back you up. Good luck. So this is all part of our vibe scaling, where we are in the process of scaling our business. Start out with the founder launch. More than likely, the second phase will be a lifetime deal, and that more than likely is going to happen in November. And so since the platform has been built, it's set of vibe coding, we're in the process of vibe scaling. So get your free account, no credit card needed, and invite others to do so. Thank you.
Okay. During the launch to part of our growth process is to seek out our first 25 AI transformation professionals. We're going to go with 25 spots starting, and some of those individuals actually want to become AI representatives for us, transformation representatives, where they'll be our representatives in their own state. We also have wholesale. We're able to wholesale our platform, and all this information you can find on our pricing page and throughout the website or platform. Okay, so Vault has identified 5 of the 6 workflows that I have formal prompt versioning. So what I'm going to do is take this and we're going to add this to a roadmap notes. These are items that we need to get in the near future. Then usually what I do is once we've completed everything for either that day or a session, I'll go ahead and take all those items in the roadmap, give it to my AI for it to review and see, put it to which phase. Okay. So I'm asking it now to give me the next prompt. looks like there's one item that needs to be addressed. Insight on what we have on our platform. We have a community, AI tools, we have an academy, tutorials, information on how to become one of our first 25 transformation agents.
Welcome to Go Next Level Hub, also known as GNLH AI. This is the AI Transformation Command Center for AI native companies. It was built for business owners, founders, operators, consultants, and professionals who understand that AI is no longer optional. The question is no longer whether your business should use AI. The question is whether your business has the operating structure to use it correctly. Most companies are not struggling because they lack AI tools. They are struggling because those tools are being added without a clear system. Teams are experimenting, workflows are scattered, governance is unclear, and execution is disconnected. That creates AI activity, but it does not create AI transformation. GNLH AI is not another AI tool. It is the operating layer businesses use to assess, restructure, roadmap, govern, implement, optimize, and scale AI across the organization. It gives leaders and teams a central workspace for turning AI interest into AI execution. Inside GNLH AI, your business moves through a structured transformation path. You begin by understanding your readiness, then you identify gaps, organize priorities, build your roadmap, and track the next actions that move the business forward. The goal is simple. Every step should answer, what should I do next? AI restructuring is the first command center inside GNLH AI. It helps a business examine how work currently gets done, where AI can create leverage, where systems need to change, and what should happen first. This creates a stronger foundation before deeper implementation begins. The free AI readiness assessment gives your business a starting point. From there, GNLH AI helps turn assessment results into a structured path. Instead of guessing what to do next, your workspace begins organizing the next move around readiness, gaps, roadmap implementation, and optimization. GNLH AI is built for two connected audiences. Businesses use the platform to become AI-first organizations. AI transformation professionals use the platform to guide, support, and implement transformation for those businesses. This creates an ecosystem where strategy, technology, execution, and professional opportunity are connected. The Founder Launch is the first public access window into GNLH AI OS. Early founders can reserve access, create their workspace, and help shape the platform as it moves from build phase into public activation. This is also where the first wave of AI transformation professionals begins to form. Every part of GNLH AI OS is designed to answer one question: what should I do next? If you are a business owner, start with the free AI Readiness assessment. If you are a professional, explore the first 25 opportunity. If you are ready to build, create your workspace and begin moving toward AI-first execution. GNLH AI OS is the operating system for AI transformation. It helps businesses assess, restructure, govern, implement, optimize, and scale AI from one intelligent command center. Start with clarity, build with structure, move with confidence. Visit www.gonextlevelhub.com.
Don't tell me. And again, these updates are based on reviewing what's been the AI is evolving. So we stay abreast by running a weekly report and then a monthly overview, a roadmap summary of what's new in AI, and we implement what can enhance our platform.
Welcome to the How It Works executive briefing for Go Next Level Hub, also known as GNLH AIOS. This briefing explains how the AI Transformation Command Center helps businesses move from scattered AI activity into structured AI execution. The goal is simple: give every business a clearer answer to what should happen next. Most businesses are using AI tools before they have an AI operating structure. Teams are experimenting, but the work is not always connected to readiness, governance, workflow redesign, implementation, or measurable execution. Without a system, AI becomes activity instead of transformation. GNLH AIOS begins with readiness because every business needs a clear starting point. The free AI readiness assessment helps identify current maturity, operational gaps, and the first areas where AI can create meaningful leverage. This turns uncertainty into a more structured view of the business. After readiness comes AI restructuring. This is where the business examines how work currently gets done, where processes are slowing down, where AI can assist, and what must change before implementation begins. Restructuring creates the foundation for a stronger AI transformation path. Once the gaps and opportunities are clear, GNLH AIOS helps build the roadmap. The roadmap organizes priorities, recommended actions, implementation steps, and ownership. Instead of guessing which AI project should come first, the business can move forward with structure. Implementation is where strategy becomes execution. GNLH AIOS helps connect plans to workflows, tasks, systems, and professional support. This allows the business to move from assessment and planning into action without losing the larger operating structure. Governance and optimization keep the transformation aligned over time. As AI becomes part of the business, leaders need visibility, standards, accountability, and continuous improvement. GNLH AIOS helps the business monitor what is working, adjust what needs attention, and keep improving the system. GNLH AIOS is built to guide the full AI transformation journey. Assess readiness, restructure operations, build the roadmap, implement with clarity, govern the system, optimize execution. Start with a free AI readiness assessment and let GNLH AIOS guide the next move. Visit www.gonextlevelhub.com.
Okay, and as an update, we not only give a free AI readiness assessment, but we also give a full AI restructuring audit. Okay, so as you see, there was an error. Bolt did not run the prompt. So basically, I don't click retry. I just go ahead and let them know that I see an error message and I haven't acted on it. And the reason I don't just click retry is that I don't want it to just retry it. I want it to review and take a look and see what happened first. Okay, so it's telling me that the agent couldn't start, and it's recommending that I refresh the page. So I will do that, and then I'm going to run the prompt again. And it could be an issue with bolts. So usually what I'll do is I'll check the bolt status, just to make sure bolt is up and running and there's no issues. So I'm going to try it one more time, and then if I still have an issue, I'll check the bolt status. status, and once it's up, we'll continue to complete this